So I can't tell you how much it means to hit 100 subscribers. I know that there are much larger YouTube channels out there, but from my very first video back in December of 2009 up until I rebranded the channel as Michael Makes Everything in June of 2018, I've put a lot of work and time into the videos that I put out for you guys, and I've tried to get better as I go. Each video I explore new techniques, both in shooting and producing the video and in the things that I'm making and creating tutorials for how to do it yourself. It means a tremendous amount to me that 100 people out there have said that they like my videos so much that they want to watch them regularly, and I wanted to take the time and thank my subscribers for all of the support that they've given me as I do this. So here's to the next 100, and thank you to everybody who made this 100 possible.